I've been working with SRT for past 7 months in pre-sales and primarily dealing with Raise3D products. The machines that we have, they're extremely user-friendly, easy to explain the features and benefits to our customers. And it has been great to see too many inquiries coming up from an existing customer as well as from the word of mouth regarding the quality of the prints as well as the reliability of these printers. A big thank you for creating such an amazing product. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In my role, I have the privileges of managing sales responsibilities for Raise3D products. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Ms. Sarina and Ms. Lily. Their consistent support has been invaluable to me. They have always gone above and beyond to provide me both technical expertise and commercial assistance, making my job is much easier and more efficient. Their dedication is deeply appreciated. I truly look forward to continue our collaboration and to even greater success in future.
Hello everyone. Raise3D has always been a new innovation, dedication and unwavering commitments to our customers. At the heart of our journey from the service department as we ensuring that every client receives not just a product but a seamless experience. Over the years we have tackled so many challenges and strengthened customers' relationships all while staying true to our Raise3D excellence. What makes Raise3D special is the teamwork and passion from the service team. As always, Mr. John has supported a lot during all the customer queries and we have received a lot more service support from the Raise3D service team. So thanks a lot.
While working with Raise3D over the years, we have found that this is the most ethical organization we have ever worked with, and they are very honest and transparent in their behavior with the partners, and we really enjoy the mutual respectable relationship what we have with each other, and we value each other very well. Also, while developing the products, we have seen that the Raise3D's efforts are always to develop long-lasting products, not to cut any shortcuts, and the products what they develop are always long-lasting and unmatched in the industry, especially in the desktop 3D printer market. We are not seeing such type of product designing what Raise3D is doing. So we are hoping to see many more new technologies from Raise3D in the coming future for us to be able to sell into the market.